Hello my dear students, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to attempt the UT paper through Google Form. So for that, first of all you need to open the link which has been shared on WhatsApp group. So you need to click your WhatsApp and you have to click on the link given here. So as soon you will click on this link, you will get your UT paper. So here I have sample question paper for UT1. First interface is for where you need to write down the important information, that is the email address, your name and the class. So afterwards you have to fill all the information. First of all you need to write down the email address. So for email address, let me clear one more thing, that you need to fill the valid email address which is working, because after checking this test the teachers will upload your marks on or send the marks on your email address whatever you have written here. And afterwards you need to fill your name. Your name should be full in capital letter and it should be full name, like my name I am writing here, my full name. Then afterwards next option is class. So you need to choose your class. I have choose here class 5 and then I have to click on next button. Then as you can see here, section A. So children, in section A, here I have given only 2 questions, but as I have already discussed in the online classes that section A will comprise 6 questions which will be of 1 mark each, and it is an MCQ, that is multiple choice question, where you will get the options for each answer, each question. So here in the first question, as you can see, you need to write down the successor of this number. So for successor, you all know what is the successor, that is +1. So this is the correct answer. Then afterwards, this is choose the correct option which is greater. So this number 45,753 is greater. So you will click greater than symbol and then you need to press the next button. So as you will press the next button, you will get the next section, that is section B. Section B will comprise 2 questions of 2 marks each. Like here is the question, these many apples are there and there are 10 boxes. How many apples are required? How many apples will be filled in these 10 boxes? So for that you need to solve this question on a piece of paper or in a notebook in a neat and clean beautiful handwriting. After solving this question, you have to click on this button, that is add file. So as soon you will finish writing down the answer and make sure that it is correct answer. So after that you need to click on this add file, and as you can see on the screen in the between there is a select file from your device. You need to click that button which is in the center. Then afterwards there will be option for camera. So you need to click on the camera and your camera screen will be open, and then you need to click the picture of the answer. Make sure that the picture is neat and clean. Okay, as soon you will click, see now you have 2 options, cross and tick. If the picture is okay, so you need to click on the tick button, and if it is not, then you need to click the cross button and then you can select again the picture. So as soon you will click on tick, you can see here the image is sent here. Then you need to press this upload button, blue button. So as now you can see the image is uploading, your answer is uploading through this blue colored bar. You can see the answer is being uploading. Make sure children, your answer should be in proper handwriting and readable. It should not be like that you can write down anything and like that. No, it should. Now you can see the answer has been uploaded. This is here, like this it will appear and it will automatically take you to the question screen. Then again for this next question number 4, you need to add the question on a piece of paper and then you need to add file. So you will click on add file, again repeat the same thing, then select picture from your device, then camera, and then afterwards again you will click the photo of the answer. Now photo has been clicked, you need to put the tick button, click on the tick button and then this will appear like this, and then upload. Press the upload button and then the picture is starting uploading. So I was talking about that the writing should be neat and clean and the image should also be clear, like picture should be clicked properly so that it will not be blur. If it is blur, you can use the cross option also, and then you can again click the photo. So as you can see, now this answer has been almost uploaded. Okay, it is done now. And this blue button, yes, has gone. Now we can see back and next button. So you will click on the next button for the next section. So you will click, yes, this interface has been taken to you to section C. Here you are seeing section C. One question is of 4 marks, but actual test may I have given section C 3 marks question, 2 questions of 3 marks, and then in section D I have given 1 question of 4 marks. So here it is a sample one, that's why I have done limited number of questions. So for this also you need to upload this file. So here you can click on this button after solving this answer on a piece of paper or in a notebook. Then again same procedure you have to repeat, add file, and then select file from your device, this one in the center, then again camera option, and then you need to click the photo, click the picture of this answer, and then put the tick button, click the tick button, and again this blue button will appear. You need to press upload button. So as soon you will press the upload button, the answer will be starting uploading. One more thing children, if you want that I will tell you how to attempt in a laptop, PC, so that for that also you can write down in the comment section so that I can make a video for that as well. Or else I prefer you to solve this UT in a mobile phone, that will be more convenient for clicking down the photos, because in laptop you need to solve the answers in the laptop and then you need to upload the images. So now you can see the answer has been uploading, and it will automatically take you to the last page where you have 2 options, back and next, submit. So you need to submit the button, press the submit button. As soon you will press the submit button, this will take you to the last interface, that is where you can see your response. See, your response has been recorded. That means you have successfully done your test and it has been sent to your teacher, respective teacher. So children, if you require, I will make a video that how to attempt the paper in a laptop or a PC. You can write on in the comment box and I'll make the video for that as well. So till then children, stay safe, stay at home, bye bye, take care, best of luck for your UT. See you soon.